Hello students, welcome back to the EVS1 session. I hope you all are enjoying to perform the activities and the experiments. Well, I hope so. So let us start with the lesson Water Safe for Drinking Part 3. Today we are going to learn a new term, a new word that is settling. So let us see what is settling. The process of allowing heavier particles to settle to the bottom of still water is called settling. So let us do this experiment. Now students, what you have to do is you have to take some muddy water and let it stand to 4 to 5 hours without disturbing it. After 4 to 5 hours, you will see the sediments, that is the heavier particles of the soil, they have settled to the bottom of the bottle or the beaker. And the light particles, that is the twigs, the leaves, they are floating on the surface of the water. Now children, what you have to do is, without disturbing the sediment, pour the water above it into 2 small beakers. Even though this water appears much cleaner than before, but still there are some little particles of soil and some rubbish floating in it. Now carry out the following experiments using the 2 small beakers. You have to label the beakers as number 1 and number 2. Come on, now start doing it. Now the next step. Children, you have to take a piece of alum and swirl it once in the water. That means you are going to move that piece of alum in the water in the first beaker, that is beaker 1. Here the color of the alum is shown as red, just for your understanding. But the color of the alum is white. It is white in color. As soon as you move that alum piece in the water, now leave this beaker undisturbed for 2 to 3 hours. That is, you are not going to disturb that beaker. Leave it still. After some hour, what do you see? You will see the particles flowing in water slowly settle to the bottom, and the water in the upper part becomes transparent. The twigs and straw still keep floating on the water. Why they keep floating on the water? Because they are lighter than the water. What does this tell us? Swirling alum in water helps the soil particles in muddy water to settle down. Here you can see how the particles of the soil, they have settled to the bottom of the bottle. Now the next step. Now student, the next step. Take another beaker. Place a tea strainer over it. Fold a piece of fine cotton cloth into 4 layers. Make it moist and spread it over the strainer. Now pour the water in beaker 2 in a thin stream on the folds of the cloth. Do you remember children, we have taken 2 beakers? The second beaker, we have kept it like that only. The same beaker water now we are going to use. Children, after performing this activity, what will you see? You will notice the rubbish and the soil particles remain on the cloth. The water collects in the beaker below. It looks transparent. Why does it look transparent now? Because all the muddy things and all means whatever the rubbish was there, now it is being collected in the strainer on the cloth and the water is now clean. It is transparent. What does this tell us? If we strain muddy water, it helps to make it clean. This process is called filtration. Dear students, after doing this experiment, throw the water into the soil and wash your hands with soap and clean water.